Welcome to a two-bedroom, two-bath apartment at 1340 Brook Street. We're walking through unit number F. We just came in the front door, walking through the living room, and we have a nice balcony for the summertime. That's a functioning wood-burning fireplace. The fancy phone on the wall is the intercom to buzz people in. And we're going back towards the entrance to show you the important door, which is the washer dryer, side-by-side full-size machines. This door is the coat closet, and around the corner is the dining and kitchen area. Very good size. Dishwasher, fridge, stove, microwave, and the door at the end is to the large pantry. Let's continue on down the hall. On the left, we have the first bathroom, tub and shower, and on the right, the next door is a linen closet, and we're going into the second bedroom. Very nice sized bedroom, lots of room for queen size bed, dressers, desk and chair. Good sized closet, larger than it looks by the doors. And as we head into the primary bedroom, we're passing the thermostat, central heat, central air. This is the primary bedroom. Very large size, 14 by 12. Bring your king size bed. We have a large walk-in closet. And your personal private bath. So that's 1340 Brook Street, apartment number F in St. Charles, just off Randall Road and Main Street, across from the new police station. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you in person, 773-961-7962, or visit the website 1350brook.com. Thanks and have a great day.